Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to change your air filter on your Generac standby generator. Probably one of the easiest jobs you have to do with a generator, and it's very simple how to do it. And I'll show you exactly the steps you need to get it done. Air filters will vary between different models. A good way to figure out which one you have is to basically, you could measure the length and the width of the air filter itself to get an idea. And what you can also do is you can see what the kilowatt rating is on your generator. In this case, ours is the 22 kilowatt. So between different wattages, you may have some different size filters. You may have different style compartments where the air filter goes. But for the most part, all that aside, your air filter will be located somewhere at the top right here. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and show you how to replace this one. So of course, part with getting started, you want to make sure that this engine isn't going to come on at all while I try to do this. So what you want to do is go to your control panel, set it to off, whether you have a button or switch, same thing, put it to off. I like to hit this breaker right here, okay? And inside here is a little starting fuse. You want to go ahead and pull that out, just like that. There you go. Now there's no chance of the engine coming on while you're trying to do this job. So in this particular model, your air filter is going to be located right in this compartment where it has the brand name on it, right here, okay? And right over here, there's this little latch right here that holds this down. You want to go ahead and pull this up, okay, just like so, and let it drop forward. Now, in order to get this top off, there's the way I found it to be best is you want to lift it up a bit, but you want to make sure that this cover here clears this little locking tab right here on the top. You see that? And afterwards, what I like to do is, instead of bending this up and possibly flexing this this duct too much, I like to actually pull this straight off once I clear this tab right here. So I'll show you I'll show you here on the video. We're going to lift this up and try to move it off this tab right here. Okay, just like that. Now I'm just going to pull this duct right off. Wiggle it a little bit. See, just like that. You don't have to worry about flexing the duct, anything like that. Comes right off. Fantastic. And over here is your air filter. So simple enough. Take the old air filter out, just like so. As you can see right here, these air filters match up very well. And what's good to do is get inside here, see if there's any like debris or anything like that. And if there happens to be anything in there that possibly made its way through, as unlikely as it is. But hey, just clean it out, get it like a paper towel or a hospital rag or something, and just wipe it away, and you should be all good. So there's our old air filter, and here's a new one. We're going to pop that in right here, just like so. And as you can see, that fits beautifully. Nice and secure. Gasket is around the edges, just the way it should be. Simple enough. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and take our duct with the cover. We're going to slide the duct back on right here. Okay. Now we're going to try to bend this just a bit so we can get back onto that locking tab. So this part may be the hardest or most job-intensive part, if I might say. You know what, guys? Let me get two hands. I may need two hands for this. All right, so I'll be right back. But the job is to get them on the two tabs right there. Okay, hang on. Be right back. And there we go. Only took me maybe five more seconds to get it on when I turned the camera off. All right, so now that it's both on, so duct's back together. Now that this lid is on the tabs right here, go ahead. Let me just feel underneath. Yep, it's good. So we're going to go ahead and take that latch again, put it back on the cover here. Make sure it grabs that lip right there, and just pull it down. And there you go. You got your new air filter installed. Very simple job. And once you got everything back together up there, we can go ahead and put the generator back to its normal operations or settings, if you want to call it that. So we're going to go ahead and take that same fuse again. We're going to replace it where we took it off, which is right there. Whoop. There we go. Slides right back in. Perfect. Okay. We're going to go ahead and put that rubber cap back on. We're going to go ahead and put this breaker back on, and we'll go ahead and put the generator back to auto. And there we go. So now air filter is replaced, generator is back to its normal settings. So we'll go ahead and we'll remove the old air filter here and go ahead and close the top. And there you go. New air filter has been installed into your generator. So as you guys saw, very easy job, and I'm sure anybody who works on a generator can suddenly replace the air filter. Not at all hard job to do. But hey, if this video helped you, that's fantastic. So good luck when you replace your old air filter, let me say it again, your own air filter, but I guarantee you, it'll be just as simple as you saw right here. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.